I am here in Corvallis. This is where I call home. I'm at my friend's house. As I pulled in the other day, their friend Rodrigo was pulling in with his van. And so today we're gonna take a tour of his van. It's a Ram ProMaster and it's a self-built van.
Welcome to our van. But yeah, I built this van last summer, and well, I think you never finished this project, so you keep working forever. So we have a kitchen area with a lot of storage. So we have our fridge down here. It's all the way out. So you can open.
Nice. And so I see that your tray is actually Dometic.
Yeah.
So I didn't realize they made trays as well.
This is gonna be very heavy, so I decided not to build.
Yeah, that's great.
We have this flash to avoid the vertical
Right.
opening. Well, right now we have dishes and we have a sink, good size to be able to keep.
Yeah, that's a really good size. I think that's the same size as mine.
Well, here we have probably cabinet for food. So, as we are not living here yet, we're not sure where we're gonna put everything.
How long is your van?
159. So well, we have 5 gallons of clean water and 5 gallons of grey water, and the stuff we are using. We have more storage probably for our clothes. Well, here we have like kind of the living and dining area.
You guys, this is super cool because this is not their bed. Just wait till we show the bed because it's very cool. Oh, and this is my friend Junie and my friend Stella. They live here.
This is our diner table.
Rodrigo was telling me that they're going to be putting a support in for that eventually because that's pretty heavy.
The idea is to take it all the way out, and so we can have like 4 people comfortable seated here.
So cool.
Oh, more storage.
And it's still a construction zone right now, so it's not quite finished. Lots of storage though.
Here we have the inverter.
Okay.
Probably for the computer.
And so are your batteries behind here too?
The battery and the fuse and all the electrics is in this corner.
Okay.
We have 100 lithium battery.
Okay.
And we have 200 solar panels. Yeah, and you have more storage. And also more storage under the bed.
Right.
Yeah, it's still on construction mode.
This is a van for 2.
But well,
right?
You could have a third one sleeping there.
He's gonna show the bed. What's happening here is that the bed is on a pulley system.
Oh yeah, one.
So he's got some supports. Super simple.
If you want a pizza, my wow.
So just all 4 corners. He's got the what is that, 4x4s supports. And then just what I would call jump rope rope.
You start doing that.
And voila, almost.
It's getting tight under there.
Yep. And that's awesome. And so they're not living in here yet.
Yeah,
So I imagine once this is a daily thing that you're going to know exactly where to put those 4x4s.
yeah. Yeah, or we're gonna put our current mattress here.
Right.
To have a comfortable place to sleep.
You were saying that you're planning on rebuilding that in 80-20 aluminum, right?
Yeah, probably we're gonna find a way to make it lighter.
Yeah.
right now, as I don't have all the tools I would like, wood was the easiest.
We've got probably a really effective way to insulate the back windows.
Well, they're not very pretty because we haven't made the covers, but
Stuff right in there.
for privacy and insulation.
Awesome. Well, you guys are heading to Chile, which is where you're from.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so are you going to be living in this full time?
We're gonna be leaving for probably 5-6 months.
Well, I wish you the best.
Thanks.
On your travels. As my friend Brian says, journey well.
Thank you very much.
This is Joni with TheGalavan. Enjoy your journey.